That's a funny, hey? There's a funny blue chicken. Look at that chicken, it's funny. Hey, it's blue chicken. Look at that, eh? Isn't that funny? You think you're funny now, eh? You take your little slippers off. Whoa, look at the funny blue chicken. You like that? Yeah? Whoa, really? Yeah. You know what's so funny? Yeah, you know what's funny? The blue chicken. Isn't that funny? I'll tell you what's funny. That blue chicken up there. What about the blue elephant? Look at the blue elephant. That's funny too. Yeah, that's funny. But what's really funny is that blue chicken. Yeah, isn't that funny? Yeah. Oh, what a funny sound, eh? That, look at it. Look up there. What's that? It's a blue chicken. What do you think of that blue chicken? Ooh, yeah, funny boy, eh? You're a funny boy. Ooh, look at the blue chicken. Hmm? You took your little slim. Took your slippers off. What are you doing? Look, they came off. Is it because of the blue chicken? I think maybe. Oh, what's that up there? It's a blue chicken. Yeah. A funny blue chicken. Look at the blue chicken. Isn't that funny? I'm gonna put him back up here. Ooh. Whoa.
Finally, we recorded this as well.
Look at that. It's a funny blue chicken. The blue chicken? Yeah?
Yes, Jack. A blue chicken. That doesn't exist. Huh?
Funny blue chicken, look at that.
That's why you are laughing, huh?
The funny blue chicken. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Guess what I saw? Ooh, guess what I saw? A blue chicken. Look. Yeah. Look at that what I saw. It's a funny blue chicken. And he makes music. Isn't that weird? And then this thing. Oh. But look at that. It's a funny blue chicken. Isn't that funny? What do you think of that? Huh? Oh, I'll show you something funny. Look at the blue chicken. You like repetition, don't you? Over and over again. Look at the blue chicken. Look. Look at that funny blue chicken. Look at that. Oh. You're. Oh. You're making your own music. Yeah, you are.
He was laughing too hard, so that's why he put this.
And that funny blue chicken. Look at that. Oh. Well then, I'd say that was a good time. That was fun, eh?
Bye bye, blue chicken.